Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit in Venmo. So first, if you're looking for an inside app tutorial, this is not the video for you. I'll not be able to provide that. I'm outside the US and I cannot log in into Venmo account. So for the others, how to deposit in Venmo. Basically, very easy. You'll need, first of all, of course, to have a bank account or a card linked to your account. How to link it, I've already showed you and I already made a video about it. But shortly, you will have, of course, how to add let's just follow this article. So how can I add money to your Venmo balance? You can add money to your Venmo balance directly within the Venmo app. So you can go to the Meet app. You'll find it here at the bottom right, as example of the Venmo interface. Click on Add Money. Find the Add Money button. Click on it. Select from a bank or debit card account. But if you don't have it, as an example, already added, what you should do? Of course, simply go again to me. You'll find then a gearbox at the top right corner, settings. Then you'll find payment providers or payment options. You can just click on that and you'll find the add credit card or bank accounts. Click on the bank or credit card and fill up your informations, confirm them, and of course they will make like shadow transaction, which is going to be probably $1. Just send it to your bank account, then of course withdraw it again to see if it's connected correctly. If it is, it will be already connected, and you can simply add money from that bank account or from that card or withdraw from it, as example, to your Venmo or send from Venmo to that bank or debit card. And you simply have to enter the amount that you want to, as example, add to your Venmo, choose what payment method you want to use, especially if you have so many, and simply click on add. Keep in mind that there are two options. You can send it or add it instantly, but you will have to pay a fee, 1% of the money added. But the cap, of course, is $10. But if you want, you can do it for free, but it will take from 1 to 3 business days. So yeah, that's how you add money to your Venmo or deposits money into your Venmo. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.